Hey, can I ask you a personal question? Hey, do you remember last year around this time when I said I wanted to be Shotgun Grandpa for Halloween? Yeah, did you ever end up buying me that costume I asked you for? Remember the one they used to sell at Costumes Plus? Over there on Boulevard Avenue? Yeah. Did you ever buy me that costume? Where is it? 'Cause I couldn't find it. Where is the Shotgun Grandpa costume? Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here's the costume. Here's the Shotgun Grandpa costume I was promised as a child. They never bought it for me. I asked them for it every day for a month. Throughout October, every day. Every morning at breakfast, and every night at dinner, and every night when I brush my teeth and go to the bathroom and go to bed, I would ask for the costume. You can't say with a straight face that I never asked you for that costume, because I remember distinctly asking for it. No. No. No.
Hey, by the right hand of the law, wait my time! Wait my time!
Bad truck, bad truck, bad truck.
Nice world.
Hey, come back! Hey, come back! Hey, come back! Come back here!
And why shouldn't I, by the way? Why shouldn't I do that?
You know what I think about it?
You think this is a dream? You think this is a dream, don't you? Hey, do you think this is a dream? Okay, I'll wait right here. Okay, I'll wait right here for Shotgun Grandpa.
Hey, you know what? I got like a legitimized question in my head right now. I want to ask it to you and see if it makes any sense. I was wondering if I'm wearing my spectacles correctly.
Huh?
You know what else I can do? I could do a real fancy impression of Shotgun Grandpa. Alright, listen. Hey, Marlou! It's me, it's Shotgun Grandpa. How you doing? I'm well, Marlou, I'm well.
I could do an impression of Shotgun Grandpa if I really put my mind to it. If I really put my smile on the right way. Here's another impersonation of Shotgun Grandpa.
Hey, Marlou! How you and your son doing, Marlou? That's fine, Mary Lou, that's fine. Want to hear one of my songs, Mary Lou? Want to hear one of my songs?
Hey, Tom, how are you? This is Shotgun Grandpa. Excuse me, hello, Tom? Yes, hi. Yes, this is Shotgun Grandpa. I'm doing well, thank you. I was wondering if you had heard the news about me, and about my father, Old Buck, and about Fitzroy Cooley. Well, the three of us have decided to form something of an alliance, something of a triumvirate, if you will. Yes, now that I am the President of the United States of America, I don't see any reason why I shouldn't sort of tweak the inner workings of our nation, so to speak. Would that be all right with you, if we did that? Guess what I did? I stole Shotgun Grandpa's magic shotgun. Does that mean I'm Shotgun Grandpa now? Or does that mean we have to have an election to find the new Shotgun Grandpa? I told you I was Shotgun Grandpa. Wait a minute. I told you I was Shotgun Grandpa. Why didn't you believe me?
Stop right there! Stop right there! You're on my property. I saw you yesterday morning. You were on my property. Well, that's okay, that's okay. I'll give you 2 warnings. That was the first one. If I give you a second warning, you won't even feel it. You must think I'm real weird.
You must think I'm pretty sarcastic.
Do you remember even how to talk to the world around you? I do. I want that car. I want it real bad. It's a Hyundai Sonata with a big piece of shit on the middle of it. I got hopes and dreams too heretofore on that kind of car I get in the next couple of years down the road. It's either gonna be a Hyundai Sonata or a Hyundai Frittata. There ain't a darn dang thing anyone can do about it, least of all Shotgun Grandpa.
Yeah, it's me, it's Shotgun Grandpa. Did you ever think you'd meet Shotgun Grandpa in the flesh? You didn't, did you? What's that you say? You say you had hoped that you never would meet Shotgun Grandpa? Is that supposed to be some kind of insult? I don't think you want to play that game with Shotgun Grandpa. I say I don't think you want to play that game with old Shotgun Grandpa. Well, Shotgun Grandpa has a habit of getting pretty angry. Especially in the evenings. Shotgun Grandpa on the phone, this is Bill. How may I direct your call to Shotgun Grandpa? Oh, hi, Shotgun Grandpa. It's me, Bill. Shotgun Grandpa Industries, this is Bill. How may I direct your call to Shotgun Grandpa? Oh, hi, Bill.